Hi, it's Anna from Power Platform Cookbook. In this video, I would like to show you how to add a reference panel to a form in a model-driven app. The reference panels are already used on some of the out-of-the-box tables like case or an account. However, they can also be added to a custom table. So let's see how it's done. So first of all, what is a reference panel? As I mentioned before, reference panel can be found on some of the out-of-the-box tables like an account, and we can see an example of it in here. So reference panel is used to display multiple subgrids on a single section without the need for extensive scrolling. Instead of the scrolling, we have the experience of user clicking through different icons to show the related entities. When I say the related entities, these are related with an account and the one-to-many relationship. And similarly, we have the same experience on the case form. So let me just quickly show you. We have a case form, again, then the reference panel is shown here on the right. So how can we create a reference panel on our custom tables? Let me show you. So as you can see, I already opened the main form for the table I want to change. And from here, I need to navigate to classic interface. So the way to do it is to press on those three dots. And under here, we have the option switch to classic. So once my form open in the classic interface, I will navigate to the insert menu. And from here, I will click on the section. And underneath the section, I have the submenu showing me the reference panel. So let's just select that. Okay, so my section was added to the form. I'll just move it here to the right. Okay, so I move my reference panel section to the right. Next thing to do is to select that section and to click on the subgrid. So let's just do that. And from here, I'm able to define the data source for showing the subgrid on that reference panel. And so in here, I have the entity, and from within the entity, I can open and see all the one-to-many relationship. So let's just leave that as cakes because I want to use that specific entity. Also in here, I can change the default view, but again, I'll just leave it as active. You can also create a new view. What else I need to do? I will change the label from here and also the name. So let's just copy that quickly. Another thing that I can do is actually to add a custom icon to that tab. So let's just do that. I already have the cakes table icon in the system. So let's just quickly find that. Once I will find my icon I want to use, I select it and then I click add. Once I'm happy with all the properties of the subgrid, I just click OK. And to add another subgrid, I repeat the process once again. So this time I'll select the fast food. And again, I can change the view, I can change the label, name, and I can select a custom icon. So let me just quickly add all the subgrids I wanted to show on my reference panel. Okay, so I successfully added a few subgrids to my reference panel. I can drop and change order of them, how they will appear on the panel, but just leave it as it is. Now I will navigate to home and I will save my form. Once the form is saved, now I can hit to publish it. Once my changes are published, now I can navigate to my app and see the result of the changes. So I added the reference panel to my table called menu. So let's open one of the records. So as you can see, I have the menu form, and on that menu form, I have the reference panel here on the right. So when I click to navigate through the icons, all the associated with that menu records will be showing in here. Thank you for watching.